You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce these Chinese names. If you want to learn more confusing Chinese names vocabulary, stay tuned. Chinese pronunciation, Wang. Wang. So in English it's quite similarly, it's quite actually pretty easy to say it in English, except don't say Wang, just Wang. Wang. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.